Functional training is a method designed to improve your ability to perform everyday activities efficiently and safely. To achieve the best results, using the right tools is crucial. Among the most effective tools are kettlebells, resistance bands, and medicine balls, each offering unique benefits for strength, flexibility, and overall fitness. Kettlebells are versatile weights that help enhance strength and endurance. Their distinct handle allows for dynamic movements, such as swings, snatches, and Turkish get-ups, that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This tool not only builds strength, but also improves coordination and balance, making it a favorite among functional training enthusiasts. By incorporating kettlebells into your routine, you can transform your workouts into power-packed sessions that mimic real-life movements, such as lifting and carrying. Resistance bands are another essential tool that promotes functional training. They come in various strengths, making them suitable for all fitness levels. Their elastic nature allows for adjustable resistance, enabling users to easily increase the intensity of their workouts. Besides adding versatility to strength training exercises, resistance bands are excellent for improving flexibility and stability. They can target specific muscle groups while promoting proper movement patterns and joint stability, which are essential for everyday tasks. Medicine balls are dynamic training tools designed to improve strength and coordination through explosive movements. They are perfect for developing power, as they are often used in exercises that require throwing, slamming, or catching. With a variety of weights and sizes, medicine balls can cater to different fitness levels and training goals. Integrating them into your functional training regimen can enhance core strength and improve overall athletic performance, aligning with real-life activities such as lifting and throwing. Equipped with these tools, you can create a diverse and challenging workout regimen. Combining kettlebells, resistance bands, and medicine balls can lead to a comprehensive training experience focused on enhancing strength, flexibility, and endurance. It's essential to remember the importance of proper form and technique while exercising, as functional training is all about optimizing your movements and preventing injuries. Ultimately, by incorporating these tools into your fitness routine, you can build a strong foundation for improved athletic performance and daily activities, allowing you to lead a healthier and more active lifestyle. Functional training focuses on exercises that mimic everyday activities, enhancing your overall strength, stability, and coordination. Using the right tools can significantly elevate your workout experience, allowing you to achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Among the best tools for functional training are kettlebells and resistance bands, known for their versatility and effectiveness in building functional strength. Kettlebells have become a staple in functional training due to their unique design, which allows for a variety of dynamic movements. Unlike traditional dumbbells, kettlebells' off-center weight enables users to engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. With a wide range of exercises, from swings and snatches to Turkish get-ups, kettlebells facilitate both strength and cardiovascular conditioning, making them an ideal choice for functional workouts. Additionally, they promote improved grip strength and core stability. Crucial elements in functional fitness resistance bands are another exceptional tool for functional training. These elastic bands come in various strengths and lengths, making them suitable for individuals at all fitness levels. The versatility of resistance bands allows for a plethora of exercises targeting different muscle groups, from squats and lunges to upper body workouts. They can be easily integrated into circuit training, enabling constant tension on the muscles throughout movements, which helps to build strength and endurance. Moreover, resistance bands are portable and lightweight, making them perfect for at-home workouts or on-the-go training. Incorporating both kettlebells and resistance bands into your exercise regimen provides a comprehensive approach to functional fitness. Kettlebells can enhance explosive power and improve metabolic conditioning, while resistance bands promote flexibility, mobility, and stability. This combination not only helps in building strength, but also in preventing injuries, as they allow you to work through a full range of motion and develop better muscle coordination. To optimize your training, consider utilizing both tools in your routine, alternating between exercises to target specific areas of the body. Ultimately, mastering these functional training tools can lead to improved performance in daily activities, better athleticism, and a more balanced physique, elevating your fitness journey to new heights.